Hi students, once again welcome back to our channel VA Academy. Today we will discussing the most important bits regarding the biology. So these are related from the cell and cell theory who was discovered. These are things then we will discussing now. The most important bits for regarding the biology is the building blocks of these bits. So we will discussing about the bits now. The first bit, which of the hormone are responsible for the digestion system? So the digestion system, when we are eating the food is transfer. First, the food is digested 30% in your mouth with the help of the saliva glands. The saliva glands are present in your mouth. They are secreting of the saliva. So the saliva is mixed with your food. 30% of food is from digested here only. Then after the food is transferred to the intestine. The intestine, so after the intestine reach the food, the gastrin and secretin, these are digested the food. It can be converted into the glucose. Who was introduced the heredity principle? So the heredity principle was introduced by Grace Mandel. The next question. The intensity of sound is depends on frequency. The next question. Which material is used for the soldering? Lead and tin. The next question. Example of sex-linked disease, that is the hemophilia. The next question. What is the range of frequency the bats are travel in the dark night? That is the 1 lakh. The frequency of hertz is the 1 lakh. So generally the frequency, according to the frequency, the hertz, the sounds are three types: infrasonic sounds, audible range, and ultrasonic sounds. The infrasonic sounds, that is the range 0 to 20 hertz only. So the human cannot be heard. 20 to 20,000 a man can be heard. That is the audible range. More than 1 lakh is the ultrasonic sounds. The next question. Flow of water from the dam to land. The potential energy can be converted into the kinetic energy. What principles are involved for a hydrogen bomb? So nuclear fusion. Generally the chemical reactions in the nuclear involved in the two principles. One is the atom bomb and another one is the hydrogen bomb. In the atom bomb, nuclear fission reaction will take place. Next, who was discovered radioactive substance? Henry Becquerel is discovered accidentally. Next, who was the first person to describe that species is the unit of classification? So John Ray. The next question. Plants that are grow in the discrete area. These are xerophytes. The basic taxonomic category is species. So the taxonomy, the mnemonic nature of that culture. So two words we have to use. One is the gene, another one is the species. So gene is the first word and species is the second word. The next question. The name of the genes begins with a letter. Whenever write that letter, you must be consider the genes is the capital letter. Next one. The name of the spices begin with the letter. The second one is the small letter. When you written by hand, the scientific name is always underlined. You must be underline the name. Next. Largest group in animal kingdom is arthropoda. Pollination takes place in the male and female anchor and stigma. It will take place the pollination. The kingdom Protista is primarily made up of organisms that are the next question. The genetic name of the mango is Yangifera indica. The next question. The organisms have 2 feet as their locomotion organs. This is the starfish. Starfish can walk the 2 feet with the help of mitochondria are absent in cyanobacteria and bacteria. They doesn't have. Bryophytes are characterized by multicellular jointed archegonia. The next question. Angiosperms have tracheled and vessels. The next question. Botanical name of tea is Tia camellia sensis. The largest phylum in the animal kingdom with the respect to number of species, that is Arthropoda. Which organ does not contain chlorophyll, that is the fungi. Cell wall was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. The cell membrane was discovered by Engeli and Crerer in 1885. The swan is introduced in 1838. The next question. The cytoplasm was discovered by Steno Brackett in 1882. Endoplasmic rectum was introduced by Porter in 1945 and the Thomson also same time, both of them to discover this one. The next question. The term mitosis was introduced by Walter Fleming. So these are the most important bits regarding the examination SSA or be any competition examinations. So please kindly watch and read this video. If you are like, please subscribe, like and share our video, and please encourage to us, then we will provide more videos. Thank you.